Everyone, welcome to the Front Row with Ed and Elizabeth. This is a home edition. Hope you like the Christmas tree in the background. Normally I film this at the clinic, but I'm going to start filming some of these from home. Today I'm going to talk about how to make a do-it-yourself trigger point tool, cheap and inexpensive, and it's basically two tennis balls or two lacrosse balls taped together, and then you can use them a variety of places. I particularly like them for the back of the shoulder blade, back of the skull, and on the mid-back or the thoracic spine.
So remember, you can use athletic tape, and I would pre-cut 4 strips about 16 inches long, and you're going to put your tennis balls right in the middle and then slowly fold up each side. Smooth out the edges a little bit. And then you're going to continue to do that for all 4 strips. The idea is you want to completely cover the entire tennis ball with the strips of tape. And usually 4 strips of tape will cover all the yellow part of the tennis ball. Then what you're going to want to do is smooth out the edges a little bit, and then we'll put some tape right in the middle of the 2 tennis balls. What this does is it just reinforces the horizontal strips. You want it nice and tight, start in the middle and work your way out to one side and then the other. Rip off the last piece, smooth out the entire peanut, and you are ready to roll.
So there you go, a quick and easy way to make a do-it-yourself trigger point tool. This is really nice on certain parts of the body, so at the end of this video, once again, I'll have links, one up here and one down here, that talk about how you can work the peanut, especially for scapular pain, which is by your shoulder blade, as well as pain down by the ankle and the Achilles. All right, so if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, take care.